M0FXB, just playing around with my Retevis Rt3 that wiped all its memory contents. So I'm just going to load it back on. So got the radio there, cables in the computer. Now I did cut a piece of rubber away from the side of the cable because when I found that when I plugged it into the radio, it didn't quite go in and it would fail or have a problem. And obviously doing firmware, that would be quite dangerous for the radio. So I just cut a bit of rubber away. I've done a separate video on it, but it's just make sure that the pins get right into the radio. So here we are, got the radio, and so let's just do the process. So if we were, hopefully you've got a saved copy of your Codeplug somewhere. So if you look on the right of the screen, you can see the programming software. So just go, I've already saved it to the radio, but if, you know, so anyway, let's just go File, Open, and then what you do is find your data file. So that's what it looks like. If you look here, that's the latest one. Double click that and it will populate your radio, and you can double check that by just going into the different zones and recognizing what you've done recently. And then even if you go in general settings, you can see everything, all your IDs. Anyway, the main thing is you just go with these TYT leads, they come with a CD driver anyway, or you can buy one with a chip, so you don't need that hassle. But usually Windows 10 will just find it anyway. And if you go to your device manager, you'll see, if I click device manager here, double click ports, and then well, do you know what? It's not actually showing anything on mine. Let's hope that it is connected. Let's find out. So what we'll do, you know if it won't, because I'm going to just send it to the radio. So write data to radio. Right, I click OK. And then if it is working, your radio will say, as mine is, PC program USB mode. And it's just going to send it across. Takes a minute. We'll go live so you know how long it does take. Now, if you look on the left of the screen, that's where you get all your firmware, programming software, and other information regarding the RT3S, which is, I'm pretty sure it's the same as the MD380UV. Although the 380 is similar, the 380 is single mode, 70 centimeter or 2 meter, where the UV and the RT3S is dual mode. VHF, UHF. So that's worked. It said OK, success. So, and then everything's here, and you can change all this kind of stuff. But that's for a different video. So I hope this helps. 7.3, all the best.